Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kum gajrakhi ka World Environment Day arajar posan ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ka Thung ki Tynrai Dieng hapla jang Assembly Complex badan hamodiang diang. Hagajing Thung ki Tynrai Dieng lai shimbentaru Lamphang joging darbar thawan ba Thomas e sangma Myntri ba ka Jilau Konrad ki sangma usumbut Lamphang Timothy D Shira ki sumbut Myntri ba bekinthop ye uba Preston Song berba snyau bhalang dahar Myntri Sorkar bekinthop ye ka Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo Marcus N. Marak uba Coming One Umban uba Paul Lingdo uba Shakler Wajri baru eti mandal. Nolo kini le shimbentaru do Chief Whip ka Sorkar uba Sustainer Sotun baru Deputy Chief Whip uba Nujor ki Sungo Commissioner and Secretary ka Assembly Secretariat uba Andrew Simon Secretary Malthus S. Sangma ki Officer Nagatnat Forest bakinong Mikmat Nagatnat Rekam Baper.
Yes, sir.
Friends, from the environment perspective, just to share with all of you that government of Meghalaya has been working tirelessly in the last 7 years for preservation of the environment and overall increasing our forest cover, and also in terms of cleanliness and other aspects of the environment. Close to about 22,000 hectares of new forest cover has been grown in the last 5 years, where about close to 2 crore saplings have been planted by the different departments and different agencies of the government. In the next 5 years, we have a target of covering 40,000 more hectares of forest cover. At the same time, through the PES, which is a very, very innovative program, Payment for Ecosystem Services, where we actually give funds to the community who own the forest area to preserve and to protect the forest area. So it's a very unique program. Per hectare, we give about 15,000 rupees to the land owner, to the community, so that they don't cut or destruct or destroy the forest cover. And through this program, about 42 crores has been distributed to the community, and close to about 52,000 hectares of forest cover has been stopped, we can say, or has been protected and has not been destroyed. And we have now started what we call the PES program is called the Green Meghalaya program. We have started what we call the Green Meghalaya Green Plus program, where now we're giving up to 20,000 rupees per hectare, and our target is to touch 1 lakh hectares of preserved forest area through the community, in partnership with the community, by funding the community and making it a movement where everybody gets involved together. Apart from that, as you're aware, 2027 we have the National Games, which is going to be hosted by Meghalaya, which is again a very, very important event for us. And we have just yesterday released a program and a mission for 2027, which is the Clean Shillong program. And with that, we are now going in a mission mode to ensure that not just Shillong, the next phase will be Tura and Jowai and other locations where we plan to host some of the games. So we're starting with Shillong, of course, and we have already in fact started implementing different aspects. You must have noticed we have increased the manpower in the municipal board for cleaners, so that more frequent collection of garbage can take place. We have already started the bio-mining in the Martin area, almost 50% of legacy waste has already been cleared. So we have not shown it in pictures yet. This may be the first time we are actually mentioning about it, but we want to show it to the people when 100% of the legacy waste in Martin will be bio-mined and completely clean, and it will become actually a proper garden park area we have planned. So that we expect before 2027 we should be able to complete. Wamukra and Umshirpi also, we have a massive plan made apart from beautification, the cleaning process, the community participation, different fines, rules, regulations. So all of this is part of the program of the Clean Shillong program, which we target in a mission mode. And of course for this we require the participation of all our political leaders, all our officials, and most importantly, the community at large.
As a Speaker of the Assembly, I am proud to say that the vision of this new Assembly complex includes not just modern infrastructure, but also a commitment to green spaces and environmental stewardship. We are working closely with the Forest Department and the Horticultural Department of the Government of Meghalaya to ensure that this campus becomes a model for eco-friendly design, blending seamlessly with the natural beauty of Maudiamgyal. We must also remember that every tree we plant today is a promise to the future generations. It is a shield against climate change, a sanctuary for wildlife, and a source of hope for our children. As we plant saplings across these assembly grounds, let us also pledge to care for them, to ensure that they grow, thrive, and stand tall as living testaments to our resolve. For the people of Meghalaya and for all of us, let us remember that the forest is not just a resource, but it is a sacred trust, a living legacy handed down by our ancestors. Protecting it is not only our duty, but our identity also. I want to remind each one of us here about the real story of a community in the village of Mauluno. The community-led efforts of the village of Mauluno and the villagers in Mauluno, they have made it the cleanest village in Asia. If one village can inspire the world, imagine what all of Meghalaya can achieve together. Let us dream of a Meghalaya where every hill is green, every stream runs pure, and every child breathes clean air. Let us make this dream a reality starting today, together. This is the Meghalaya that we hope to cherish. This is the Meghalaya that we must protect. On this belated World Environment Day, let us reaffirm our pledge to plant, to protect, and to preserve. Let us make Meghalaya a shining example of sustainable development where progress and nature walk hand in hand. May the trees we plant today take root and flourish, just as our commitment to the environment must grow and endure.
This in itself is a statement of the commitment of the government to forest and environment, as well as a tribute to the undying spiritual connection of our people with the forests. A visit to the sacred groves will show how the communities have for generations, by their own active participation, preserved their forests. Every visit to the sacred groves is a personal experience of learning for all government functionaries, including me, to see how much the community can achieve on its own when they have such a deep-seated link with the forests. The livelihood bridges at Molinong, where a whole new innovation has been brought into effect, shows that the thinking process has continued for generations, refined over generations, to reach a certain denouement which we are proudly witnessing in our time. The government of Meghalaya has taken forward this long-abiding tradition and initiated measures, most important, to involve the community in protection of the forests. And this is at the core of the Green Meghalaya program, under which payment of ecosystem services are made to the community to protect their forests. This has now been upgraded to Green Meghalaya Plus, which offers better facilities, better results for the community. As Principal Chief Conservator of Forests of the State Forest Department, I am utterly humbled to have this opportunity to stand here before such august members and express my gratitude for all the pains the government has taken to strengthen the Forest Department so that they can discharge their duties with the greatest dedication. We have provided accommodation, transportation to our frontline staff to make their working conditions better.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.